Good evening. My name is Mahesh Chamaria, and I'm representing Hindu Swayam Sevak Sangh, HSS. Honorable Mr. Jeff Cheney, Mr. John, Brian, Will, and all other Leadership Council members, our Police Chief, Mr. David, Fire Chief, Mark, and all your extended team members. On behalf of Hindu Swayam Sevak Sangh, we are here today to express our gratitude and thank in support of everything which you have done during this period of pandemic. When all this happened in mid of March, I think none of us were prepared. Worldwide, we know countries have fallen, cities have fallen, counties have fallen. No one was prepared for it. But the way many cities within Collin County and the way Frisco City has come up, and being such a vibrant city, one of the best cities to live in US, that is the best testimonial, the way your leadership, your extended team has shown the bravery on the field. When most of us, we were locked up inside our door and even scared to come in our backyard and front yard, you guys were working almost 24/7 just to support us. A huge, huge applause goes to your extended family members who has helped you and in turn helped us so that we are safe and sound. If we really look at the data of Frisco City, I think that is one of the best data across, one of the best, given the size and the dimensions and the growth. I mean, this is one of the fastest growing city. With all those things and with so much of inflow, I think this is one of the best data we see it. Taking a cue from the services which you do, and also as a part of our Hindu Dharma, where we say that service is at the highest pillar. And this is something which is utmost important to us. What we did as a part of HSS since last 3 months, we have been going out on the field. We have been making thousands and thousands of masks where we are helping our frontline workers, medical staff, and all other who need the help. Over and above, we started providing hot meals, and we realized the most vulnerable was senior citizens, one who are in the low-income group, not many in Frisco, but in many other counties many other cities within Collin County, where we started servicing many of the communities, serving door to door in terms of providing the hot meals to them. Over and above, we extended providing them a grocery which is 25 to 30 pounds every week. On the working days, our volunteers comes out taking off from the office and going ahead and serving them. The whole idea is, as much as possible, how we can help and support them. We also extended our support to students in the UTD and UTA since last 3 weeks, in the similar lines as to see how we can provide the support to the students who are now not having enough job on or off the campus. So as we move forward, we see there is more and more need on the field. And the best part is our volunteers, which we call as the Swayam Sevaks, are more and more geared to help on the field. As the things settle down, we will be more than happy to integrate and to help the city if there is anything where our volunteers can come forward and help in any ways. This has been a very, very fulfilling experience for us. And again, we wanted to thank the whole city staff, the whole police fire department for everything what you have been doing in the city. As we end any auspicious occasion, we end with what we call as a peace prayer, or we call as a Santi mantra in Sanskrit, which says that Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha, Sarve santu niramaya, Sarve bhadrani paschantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhagavet. The meaning of which is, may the happiness prevails everywhere, may everyone is free of illness, may everyone see the auspiciousness, may peace prevails everywhere. With that, we would like to thank you. We have our kids who made a thank you message for the city, and we would like to hand it over to you.
Well, thank you for your kind words and your encouragement, and also for serving your community. So we greatly appreciate that. So what do you can, oh, that's very nice. Yeah. Oh, that's fine. Here you go. Is that me right there? All right. Thank y'all so much. That's very nice. Thank y'all.